They right here.
Reindeers.
Yeah, come on, y'all. The wallabies.
Is that lemonade by any chance?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. I thought it was a beer.
Awesome liquor.
no.
Oh, I was about to say, you want a shot?
No.
They flying all around. Y'all see them? Beautiful. If you got you can feed them. They got sticks you can feed them with, so they gonna get some sticks. Do they normally do this? We're here at the birdhouse. I feel my eye tripping. I don't know. Come on, y'all. Oh my gosh. You better get back. Y'all know llamas spit on people. They spit on people. Ooh, he said, I do what? What y'all do?
Say hi to the llama. Say hi. Dora's gonna be at the house. Big? Look at that llama.
You see it, meerkat?
That's a llama. Wow, son. Be careful, kid.
He told us, no.
No.
Let's
go see the red
Come on.
panda, Mara.
Come on, y'all.
Red panda. Red panda first now.
Come on, buddy.
These are reindeer.
Like Santa Claus got.
Where?
Over there, we gonna go over there.
I've never seen one of these in real life.
For real?
Dang, yeah. Reindeer. Yeah. Do they really got the stuff like that?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, but they shed now, so they're really small right now.
Yeah, let's go see them.
They got fans on them. Like that's gonna help. They need snow. They out here hot in the shade. Trying to live. They right here.
Reindeers.
Look at all mine.
Where's the
They
little
don't like to be in the sun. They all in the shade.
Look, they got some fans on them though.
Where's the
Like that's gonna help. They need snow,
Hot, blowing
me.
hot air. Come on, Amir. Come on,
Where's the baby one?
Come on, son.
Daddy. I wish this was open because if it was, we could go over there and we could pet it.
You see them?
Come on, y'all.
Close today.
Come on, Mo.
Come on, tomorrow.
Now let's see red pandas.
This where the red panda at. It said it's closed today.
Where is it?
It's inside.
Panda.
This what it look like though. That's what it look like, Mo.
This?
Yep.
It's red and
Come on, ladies. So we still in the petting zoo. They got a we about to go into the wallaby exhibit. Come on, y'all. This finna trip y'all out.
what?
This the little baby kangaroos. They be running around. Yeah, come on, y'all. The wallabies. Wallabies.
Daddy.
Yeah, wallabies. Uh-oh. Come on, buddy.
Uh-oh, Amir.
Let's see what we got. Come on, buddy.
Amir, these look like you. Come on, kangaroo boy. Y'all see them? Come on, baby.
There they go. It's too hot. They in the shade today. There they go. One over there.
Look, Amir.
They got one over there.
Maya, y'all see them?
They got one baby, one back there.
Is that lemonade by any chance?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. I thought it was a beer.
Awesome liquor.
no.
Oh, I was about to say, you want a shot?
She showed like,
If you got some drink, I'll just give me a little bit. I won't say nothing. This is a wallaby, y'all. They around here somewhere. Normally they be jumping through here.
For real?
Yeah.
Gotta stop.
They'll jump all through here.
There's some over here.
They not jumping around today?
They're mostly taking naps right now.
Oh, okay.
So they're actually, this type of animal is only active usually more at
Night.
dawn, dusk,
Okay.
into the night.
Okay.
So they're
But
not
they're
necessarily
used to
nocturnal.
warm weather, right?
Yeah, so these guys, they prefer more like fall, springtime. So
How old are they?
they're all different ages.
There's one over there. One right there.
That one closest to us is named Winifred. She's named Winifred. I'm pretty sure she's about 5 or 6.
Oh, same age as you,
No, 5 or 6 years.
Oh,
Yeah.
Mary, you see?
But we have our newest mama. She's taking a nap.
Oh, it's 3 of them. I didn't even see the other one right there.
They're all very
There's
still.
one more over there.
Oh. Come on, baby.
yeah.
All right. Thank you. Uh-oh.
Come on, Tamara, walk on this side. Come on, Maya.
Woohoo! So we seen the wallabies. I was hoping they was gonna be jumping around last time
We're
we
going
came.
to feed birds.
All right, now we going to feed the birds. The birds. My little baby getting burnt up.
Mine too.
That one
He's
is.
turning yellow.
You is.
Oh no, I forgot about me. Oh no, I can't get black. I'm gonna look like that
They
picture.
locked us in?
Come on, son.
Yeah. Come on, boy.
Tomorrow gonna tell me
Thank
what's
you.
in our sunscreen.
Come on, buddy.
Come on, kangaroo. We need a popsicle or something.
Yeah. Come on.
Tomorrow, you gotta do that. Man, I'm down there. No, I need that lemonade.
Look at this. Beautiful. Look at my boy. He on cloud 9. I see you at the zoo, my boy. I see you at the zoo. Where you heading off to, buddy? You see that star?
Oh, I'm like, where's he going?
I want to see where he going.
I want to see what he does with the birds.
Come on, buddy.
Yeah, I'm gonna crack up. That's what I'm saying.
Come on, we going this way, Mir.
Bye, son.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Come on, man. You better come on. So we off to the birds now.
Come on, son.
Come look at this, man.
Come on, babe.
He gonna put his hand on his head like this. Come on. Come on, man. Look. Bye-bye.
What happened?
Go ahead, me.
Oh, you talking about somebody dropped their drink?
Come on, man. Hold the door for you. Oh, he walking slow, y'all. He hot. Come on, buddy. I'm holding the door for you.
I'm here. Bird box, boy. When I
Boy.
don't make no noise. Don't make no noise.
Uh-oh. We're here with all the birds, y'all. It's my nephew's first time at the zoo, y'all.
So you take off running?
Yeah. What's up, baby? How you liking it? You having fun? How about you? You having fun?
We gonna feed some birds.
You gonna feed the birds? Okay, all right. So we about to get ready to feed the birds, y'all.
And sometimes they even land on your finger.
You gonna let it land on your finger? Ah, scary. We gonna get it. Look at my boy right there.
Look at his little pose. His
Yep, so we in here with the birds, man. They flying all around. Y'all see them? Beautiful. If you got you can feed them. They got sticks you can feed them with, so they gonna get some sticks. Woo! Oh boy, flu dog. It's hot out here, y'all. When you coming out here, y'all need some water. That's the peregrine falcon. Peregrine falcon. Urban Revile. What did it say? The peregrine is a peregrine falcon named means traveler and wanderer. I can't even read for real. Look at that. And these birds nearly wandered out of the nope. These birds nearly wandered out of extinction. Look, extinction. Look, I'm talking about extinction. Oh my God, y'all, I haven't read in like 50 years. Oh my gosh, I think I'm blind. Let me see. Let's try this. Towering achievement. Existing federal protection of peregrine falcons in their habitats increased significantly after the species was placed on an endangered species list. Scientists and volunteers began collaborating to staff breeding facilities for the birds, and falconeers even offered birds for breeding purposes. You gotta help them, dude.
Look, come here and look.
Y'all gotta hold it out. What y'all gonna do? Hold it out, Tootie. Hold it out, Tootie. Don't get up there. Get up there. You gotta sit down up there. Come on, Toot. It's too many, there's a lot of people in here, so it's hard for the birds to focus. Watch out. Watch for that stuff right there. Tell her watch this wet stuff. Tomorrow. Watch out for that wet stuff. Look at that. You see this? Oh, they scared them? Oh, okay. Like a little attack was gonna happen. What was that? Do they normally do this? They ain't like that. Dang, I caught that on camera. That was crazy. They all flew in towards us like this. Oh, they flying too fast, dude. Y'all see this? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll sit down. Look.
Watch that way.
Back. Watch out. Okay.
Oh. I'm dodging them, y'all. Dang, these birds is acting a little crazy. Oh. Maybe we just need to let them have it.
Be outside selling bird sticks.
$1. 50 cents. Yep, so we here. We here at the bird house.
Amir was like.
Amir say he ain't digging it. We here at the bird house. I feel my eye tripping. I don't know. Hey, make sure you watching that. They not coming for it, is they? Ooh.
No, because so many people stop at putting that. I don't want to do
You ugly. What you say?
So many people feed them all day long. They don't do anything.
Today, what?
Come on, let's go, Mom. Well, so we tried to feed them, y'all. They acting rowdy today. I don't know what's going on. So, I guess we on to the next.